Okay, this is just going to be some quick little instructions on loading the mp40, these blank, for lack of a better term, 9mm rounds with the caps, and unloading them, basically removing the expired or fired cap from inside the round. What you have here is that's a small little metal O-ring here. It's got a larger diameter opening on one side. You turn it over and it's more narrow on the other side, the hole. The base, it's got the firing pin actually in it. The shell itself, you got a metal rod, that's for after you fire it and you want to clear out the shell and remove the old cap. And you got a plastic dowel here. It's actually inside of a big pin, and I'll show you in a minute how that works. And you got the caps over here. The caps have a red center inside them. That's actually the charge. Okay, let me show you how to load these things. What you do is you take the shell here and you take the wider opening portion here, and what the threaded section is, you take the wide opening and drop it face down so the wider opening has gone inside into the shell here, because the firing pin actually is going to go into this part when it fires. Then you take the red cap, which is right here, or excuse me, the brown cap with the red center inside it. You want the red igniter material to be facing up on this, so the cap sits down there like that. I'll show you a little picture so you can see it. So you can see the red from the top here, and just take it, push down on it so it goes flush with that threaded part there. Then you take the dowel pen here, and this diameter, exterior diameter of this dowel fits almost perfectly inside here. And all you're going to do is push it in there, and it's almost like loading a cannon or something, or a musket or whatever, and just push it all the way down in there and pull it out. And then you take the bottom portion here, which actually has a little metal part sticking up that's going to ignite it. You screw that back on just till it tightens down. You don't have to tighten it too much, just till it meets up. And if you look in here through the hollow point opening, that's where you can't really see it, but that's where your cap is inside there. And the firing pin hits there and drives it backwards into the pin that's in the back of the shell here. And it fires and blows open and cycles the next round. After you fired the round, and you got your 10 or 20 of them left, or whatever you have, all you do is you open them up, set this off to the side, and then you take the metal rod and just along the inner edge, just push down on it so it drives out that little metal O-ring. And the old expired cap, you take the old cap, throw that away. Don't lose, because I've already lost a few of these over the years, little metal O-ring. And then these parts here, and you're supposed to clean it. I just use WD-40 on them, is what cleans them out. So anyways, that's it. That's all you need to know, and you're ready to go.